Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to allow third-party cookies on your iPhone. So what third-party cookies do is track you throughout the web. However, some websites actually need this to remember login details and other information about you to work correctly. So if you need the third-party cookies enabled, first what you want to do is head over to the iPhone settings here on your home screen. And once you're in the iPhone settings, you want to scroll all the way down until you get to Safari, and then you want to tab into that. Now within the Safari section, you want to scroll all the way down to the Privacy and Security section. Now here within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see the third option here, Block All Cookies. And what we want to do is you want to tab that from green here to grey. And what this will allow is third-party cookies on your iPhone. What you need to keep in mind is this is for Safari web browser. If you're using a different web browser, for instance Chrome, then you need to do it for that individual application. Hope that helps you out, and if it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.